Guys, welcome to Stunner Share. So today what we are going to see is another friend, Manav Ogri, has shared some 20 minutes breakout strategy. So he has also suggested, he was also asking for suggestions. So I thought of helping him. This is what the screener, what he has created. And this is the actual screener, what he has written. And in this screener, he has got some alerts which are more than 21, and in that 21 nearly some 4 to 5 stocks did not perform, it seems. So what I thought of suggesting him or adding to him is like he has to write something for volume. So volume of the latest day, which means the current day, should be greater than the last day's volume. So you have to write the volume for it. So try writing the volume of it and then try to run the scan, and you will be getting some of the stocks which can also be avoided. So based on that, you can also try to do a trade. And what I also noticed is like he is just writing the code for which the second 10-minute candle should be above the pivot point, and the third 10-minute candles high should be above the previous day's high. So this is what his screener is all about, and I am not sure whether it is a 30 minutes breakout strategy or a 20 minutes breakout strategy. To be very honest, I think it is a 30 minutes breakout strategy. So based on that, he is trying to add, and he just needs some suggestions from my side. So my suggestion would be like, so just ensure that based on these stocks, whichever is coming, according to that, you have to make some changes. For example, Sun Pharma did not work well, so you need to check what has actually happened. So if suppose you are going to consider an entry over here, you need to take an entry only after the 30 minutes high is getting broken. And in that case, this stock did not give a trade at all. So I think this alone can give you some good stocks. So try to implement this and try to work on it so that you will be able to get some decent stocks. And always concentrate on Nifty 50 when you are on a learning phase, so that you will be able to get some enough idea on that. And he is also using 20 SMA, and whenever a 20 SMA is there, he is also trying to enter based on the pullbacks or whenever the 20 EMA is retested. But I don't recommend the 20 EMA. You can just use the 10 minutes breakout strategy, like 30 minutes breakout strategy using 10-minute candle. So this is what I thought of sharing to you guys. And one more thing is like, I have written a strategy. I have written a screener, like a bullish engulfing and a bearish engulfing based on weekly, daily, and monthly time frame. So you guys can utilize the screener. You can just seeing the screener itself, you can just copy it, and you can also try implementing this screener and check whether it is working fine or not. So what made me to write the screener is IRCTC stock. So for example, if you see the IRCTC stock, a bullish engulfing candle came at over the support zone. Clear? This is a zone where the first breakout of the candle has actually happened. And after that, if you see the bullish breakdown, the candle went gap up, and all the way from 750, it has gone to 1,500, more than double of what has been given. So a strong support zone and a bullish engulfing, like completely engulfing, it can give some good returns. And another thing is like, if you guys see Nifty also, okay, Nifty also, just zoom it over here. See, on the 20th Jan 2020, it gave a good bearish engulfing candle. And after that, see the fall, what has happened. From 12,430, it has gone and touched 7,500. So this screener will not give you stocks every day. This screener will not give you good stocks every week. But if it is giving a good quality stock at a support or resist zone, then for sure you are going to mint some good profit. So that is why I'm sharing this screener to you. So I have written for bullish engulfing as well as for bearish engulfing. Let me share the bearish engulfing also. So this is the bearish engulfing screener. So just try to copy this and write something in your charting tool or something, so that you will be able to understand what is actually happening. I have just written for weekly, daily and monthly. If you want to check for weekly, just disable both and disable of enable the weekly, so that you will get some weekly things. So based on that, you can get some bullish engulfing stocks. So I think most of the people will be having the bearish engulfing and bullish engulfing screener. But if this screener is helping you guys, try to get it. And bullish engulfing and bearish engulfing, honestly to say, at the support zone or resistance zone, try to get it. You will be able to mint some good profits. So that is what I wanted to say. And same thing with this, you can also write for bearish harami and bullish harami. And if you guys are very smart, try to write this for intraday candles also, like 5 minutes candles or 10 minutes candles or 15 minutes candles, so that you can get some reversal points. So based on the reversal points at support zone using CPR, you can mint some good profits. So I have just shared the strategy and the way to write the screener. I have given the hint also. So try to write this strategy and try to make your own strategy and try to be independent. That is what I want to share in this video. So for the friend who has shared, try to include volume, so that you will be getting some good stocks based on volume also, and try to get some decent trades. And for the sell side, you can do the same and you can get some thing. Try to avoid indicators like 20 EMA, 20 EMA or 20 MA, and try to just respect the candles and price action. It will give you best returns. So that's it, guys. That's all I wanted to say in this video. If you feel the content is good, kindly give a like. If you feel the video is encouraging, kindly do a share. And any queries, do let me know in the comment section. Thanks a lot. Stay tuned for more videos.